Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok shop not showing. So the first step, you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and click on app list, and you need to search for the TikTok. Click on that, click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and you need to search for the TikTok, and you need to update your TikTok application. Once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to restart your smartphone and check your TikTok. So here you can see that my shop is not showing. So you simply need to click on profile, click on three bars, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, and here you can see support. Click on that, click on help center. So sometime it takes some time to load, and it also depend on your internet speed. So let me open this again. Okay, so I think it is not opening now. Let me try again once. Okay, so we are going to here report a problem. Okay, and here you simply need to search for TikTok shop. Not showing. So here you can see that. Let's go back, account and profile, and chat with us. And here you need to mention that, hi TikTok, my TikTok shop is not showing. Kindly help me getting that. Then you need to send that, and after that, here you can see that TikTok shop is currently unavailable in your region. Stay tuned for updates on availability. So in my region, TikTok shop is not available, but if it is not shown to your profile, you need to check with support as well. And so I need to wait because it is not in my region, but this is a method that you need to follow to have TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.